This week's top stories. The Employers' Initiative on Domestic Abuse to speak at the cleaning show. Aisha Fordham, Membership and Partnerships Manager at the Employers' Initiative on Domestic Abuse, and Natalie Curtis, Regional HSE Advisor at Balfour Beatty, will speak at the cleaning show to encourage cleaning companies to put domestic abuse policies in place. EIDA will highlight how employers can support their people affected by domestic abuse, and Natalie will share her survivor story, raising awareness of the impact an employer can have if they have a domestic abuse response in place. Guide to the phase-out of fluorescent lighting for FMs. The UK has recently followed the EU's lead and made significant amounts of fluorescent lighting obsolete, with legislation set to remove further models of fluorescent lighting from the market over the next 18 months. Lee Tupman from Whitecroft Lighting walks FM providers through the phase-out and outlines the available options. Housebuilder celebrates women in construction on International Women's Day 2023. Cannock-based housebuilder Jessup Partnerships is looking to encourage talented women into the workforce and has produced a video to mark International Women's Day to help inspire other women to consider a career in construction. The Office for National Statistics reported that in Q4 of 2022, 2,171,000 people in the UK worked in construction. Out of those people, just 321,000, 14.7%, were women.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.